Are you considering buying InstaBuilder for your landing pages? Before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know that could save you time, money, and headaches, especially when comparing it to other landing page tools out there. First off, InstaBuilder offers an intuitive drag and drop builder, making it easy to design landing pages without needing any coding skills. But when compared to competitors like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, InstaBuilder might feel a bit more basic. While it's simple to use, if you're looking for advanced features like built-in email marketing automation, InstaBuilder falls short in this area. Next thing, InstaBuilder is a one-time purchase, which sounds great when compared to subscription-based platforms like Unbounce or ClickFunnels. However, this also means that the software lacks the ongoing updates and support you'd get with a subscription model. So while you pay up front, you could be missing out on future improvements that other platforms regularly add. The third thing to consider is the templates. InstaBuilder offers a variety of pre-made templates, but compared to platforms like Elementor, which provides more robust and customizable options, you might find InstaBuilder's selection a little limiting. If you're a professional designer looking for unique, high-converting templates, you may need to look elsewhere. Next thing, InstaBuilder's integration options. While it does integrate with major email services and CRMs, it doesn't offer as many third-party integrations as platforms like Kartra or Thrive Architect. If you're running a complex funnel or a business that uses multiple marketing tools, this could be a limitation. The fifth thing to note is speed. InstaBuilder is relatively fast, but when you compare it to some of the newer tools like Systemd, IO, it doesn't always measure up in terms of load times. Speed is crucial for conversion rates, so consider whether InstaBuilder meets your expectations in this area. Next, let's talk about mobile optimization. InstaBuilder does provide mobile responsive templates, but customization on mobile versions isn't as flexible as some of its competitors. So, if you're targeting a mobile-first audience, you might run into some frustrations here. The seventh thing to consider is the support. InstaBuilder provides email and ticket-based support, but when compared to services like ClickFunnels, which offers live chat, InstaBuilder might feel a bit slow in getting you the answers you need. The eighth thing, pricing. While InstaBuilder's one-time cost is appealing, it could be a deal breaker for anyone on a tight budget. It doesn't offer a free trial or money-back guarantee, which is something other platforms like Lead Pages provide. If you're unsure about the product, this could be a risk. Now, the ninth thing. Ease of use. InstaBuilder is definitely easy to navigate for beginners. However, once you get more advanced and need to implement custom features, you may find the learning curve steeper than platforms like Builderall, which offers a broader set of tools from the start. The 10th thing to mention is SEO optimization. InstaBuilder has basic SEO settings, but it doesn't have the level of customization that other tools like Unbounce offer. If you plan on running extensive SEO campaigns, this might not be the ideal platform for you. Next up, A/B testing. Unlike platforms such as OptimizePress or Lead Pages, InstaBuilder lacks advanced A/B testing features. If split testing is a priority for your business, you might find InstaBuilder a bit lacking in this area. The 12th and final thing to consider is overall performance. While InstaBuilder performs well for standard landing pages, it may not have the scalability that platforms like Kartra or ClickFunnels offer for bigger, more complex marketing operations. So, is InstaBuilder a good option? Yes, if you're looking for a straightforward, one-time purchase landing page builder without the need for advanced features or integrations. But if you want a more robust platform that offers extensive templates, support, and integrations, you may want to explore other options. We've linked to our recommended solution that you can try for free. Check it out for a better alternative.